What's up, everybody? This is 13 with Superior Mobile ByThirteen. Currently in the shop, there is me and there is 1,000 mosquitoes, and also a 2004 F150 headlight build that I just wrapped up here. We've got the black housings with the clear reflectors on the side. Those just come as is. We did a Morimoto Mini D2S projector retrofit into these bad boys with the black shrouds. I think they were the Apollo 3.0. I kind of don't remember right now. Also have the profile RGB fitted halo kit. So as you can see, there's a halo around up there and down there, as well as the profile Prism Demon Eyes. And I will turn them all on for you right now. Whoa, my God, that camera can't handle it. But it is. It's all white. So that's all white mode. If I drag that down, ta-da! Now we're all in green. So this is run by the Morimoto 3-channel XBT Bluetooth controller, as per the normal. They are all on independent channels, so I'm going to put that right there. And I can put that one, like, I don't know, right there. And then that one, let's go somewhere nice and contrasting, like, come on, I don't know, like in there-ish, whatever. That's cool looking. You get the idea. If I turn it all down on the brightness, then the camera picks it up better. There you go. So now the camera can pick that up a little bit better. I turned down the brightness, actually. That's how you get that. Also worth mentioning, these are switchback products. So there is your turn signal, which is super badass. That's pretty much it, all I have to say about this build video. I've done one of these before in the past, and it's very similar. We're going to be running the Morimoto D2S bulbs on this bad boy with 50-watt ballasts, so it should be a nice, massive amount of light output, which is going to be a really nice upgrade to his F150, because this generation headlights are just horrendous. One of the mosquitoes wanted me to show you what the actual headlight output looked like, so goodness gracious, great balls of fire. Check out how beautiful that is. Can you imagine your Ford F-150, your 2004 Ford F-150, you get to see out like that? Like, what? Oh, look at that beam output pattern. It's gorgeous. If you have any questions about the products used that I didn't answer in this video, which won't happen, but regardless, all of that information is going to be in the video description. And if you'd like to request a build for yourself, by all means, shoot me an email at 13@bythirteen.com. Thank you so much for watching, and in the making of this video, I've already killed 3 mosquitoes, so plenty more where that came from. I shall talk to you later. See ya!